Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. I picked up some more constitutional silver today. My local resource gave me a call, said he had some halves, some quarters, and some dimes. And so I went and picked it up. When I got there, he said he had some other miscellaneous silver. He had a little over $4, $4.05. And I said, sure, I'll go ahead and pick that up. Wasn't sure what it was. He had it in some miscellaneous tube, so I just dumped it into the bottom of this bag. And you can see it here. I see a Standing Liberty quarter. I see a Mercury Dime and some miscellaneous other stuff. So I'm just kind of interested to see what he gave me in miscellaneous stuff. And then you can see here, I bought a few Morgans off him. I don't buy those a whole lot, just because price per ounce is more than the quarters, dimes, and halves. But still, it's good to pick some up every once in a while. He gives them to me for a great price. And so, every once in a while I'll pony up for a few of those, but overall I'm after the quarters, dimes, and halves. So anyway, why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, we're going to set these aside for now because I just wanted to show you that I picked a few of them up. I'll put those in a tube I'm trying to get on Morgan's. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. I'm using a different camera this time to try it out. I'm not sure I'm really liking the recording on what it looks like. It's kind of washed out. Alright, so I made an adjustment. How's that? Maybe a little bit better. We'll see. I noticed my hand was pretty funky looking with it before. So anyway, let's get the rolls out of the way. We know what's going to be in there. Let's see what miscellaneous stuff he threw in there. So see, we got a few quarters. There's 4 quarters. So there's $1. There's $1.75. We got ourselves 3 Franklins there. And oh, there's another quarter, and another quarter, and another quarter. Alright, and then we have, I threw in a Barber Dime there, 1910. So we have, and the rest are Mercuries. That's pretty cool. Got some older ones, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. So what do you have here? I'm just going to get my calculator out, just to make sure I don't miscount. So in quarters, we got $1.75. In halves, we got $1.50. And we had 8 dimes. So it works out to $4.05, just like he said. So he gave that to me for the usual price, the usual deal. Actually got a little bit better deal on it. So, yeah. Oops, had these off screen. So before, he's on a different camera. Don't have the same visual that I had on the last time, so, but that's okay. We'll make it work. So, alright, $4.05 there. And let's take a look at the halves first. Now, I told me these halves were kind of dirty and kind of funky looking. Look like typical walkers to me, but anyways, looking at the sides of them, the sides do look kind of dirty, oily looking. So let's spread these out a little bit and see what we have. They're just, I don't know, just kind of maybe held over in a dirty environment. They look pretty standard to me. 41, 35, 36. So yeah, they may have something on them. But, yeah, pretty typical, I think, from what I usually see. So there's our halves. Let me put the Franklins in, and let's move the quarters and dimes over here so we can kind of get them all together like I like to do. So let's move the halves over, give us some room here. Alright, so we have 20 halves there. A roll, $10 is 20 halves. Alright, so I can get my hands off the screen. And so far here we've got 7 quarters, so I'll leave those there for now. Put the dimes up over here. Okay, and let's take a look at the quarters. Roll of quarters is 40 of them. See if we can look at the edges on these. Much better. A couple dirty ones in there, but oh yeah, listen to that sound. Whew, Love that sound. So yeah, quarters are in pretty good shape. That one's nice and shiny. It's a 64. There's a 54. It's cool. I do not have my autofocus on here, so when I use my iPhone, I have an autofocus. But with this webcam I'm trying out, no autofocus because it just zooms in, zooms out, zooms in, zooms out when it catches your hand and stuff. So I usually leave the autofocus off. So there's 40 quarters. I'm going to throw in these other 7, just kind of mix them up a bit. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at the dimes. Oh, this one says Mercury on it. You see that? Maybe these are some Mercuries. This says Roosevelt. So let's look at the Roosevelts first. Dump them in the hand. Take a look. Nice, beautiful Roosevelt Dimes. Oh yeah, look at those. Ooh. Who doesn't love Roosevelts? I'm going to lift my camera up a little bit. Give us a little bit more room. There we go. And then we have one more roll of dimes. So in the full rolls we had 10, 20, with the dimes $30 face. Yep, these are Mercuries. Look at those. Check them out. Boom. Look at those, yeah. Some nice Mercuries. So, yeah, pretty cool. So 10, 20, 30. I threw those quarters in there and a couple more halves in there. But full rolls was $30. And then we have these extra dimes. Got the old Barber right there on top. Cool. Alright, so with the $30 plus the $4.05 that he gave me, got a total of $34.05. Pretty cool, huh? Let me zoom in a little bit. This camera is not as nice as using my iPhone, I can tell you that. Let me look at this Barber. Does it have a mint mark on it? Take a quick look at it. Throw it under the coin cam if there's anything interesting. It doesn't look like it. Anyway, not too bad a shape for a Barber. Most Barbers are pretty wore. Alright, so $34.05. So let's do the math. If we take $34.05 and we multiply it by 0.715, that's 24.35 ounces. So a little bit more than 24 ounces in all this constitutional silver. So yeah, pretty cool. And throwing these, they're just, no key dates or anything. They're just 1921 Morgans. But they're in pretty good shape. So yeah, it's all part of the package deal. And these I pay a little bit more than spot for than the constitutional silver. But they're Morgans, and Morgans have a good resale value on them. So get them for a great deal, but not as good as this stuff. So anyway, I don't put it in my calculation because I pick those up separately. When he shows up, he always says, hey, I have some silver dollars, and I just decide if I want to buy them or not. I'm always out after this for the great price. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I really, really, really appreciate you watching. And why don't you go ahead and click on those 2 videos that just popped up. Got some excellent content. I think you'll really enjoy them. And also, if you haven't subscribed, why don't you please go ahead and do that now. I would really appreciate that as well. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.